Season's greetings, everyone. Well, the time to decide whether you wish to continue living on old artificial programs or whether to return to your factory settings, that time is definitely running out. In the era of global changes, the question of what software to live on, it is no longer a question of self-knowledge or self-perfection. It is a question of physical survival. And the new world no longer needs a herd because its efficiency and the productivity are very low. And so quantity gets replaced by quality. The new era requires new people, those who unfold their natural human potential. And this news is already being spread all over, at every corner, directly or indirectly. But it's impossible to open up, to unzip or unpack this potential without knowledge that only the catalog of human population provides. And hence such monstrous consequences of this world cleansing, with actual risks of moving onto an even more terrifying stage in the nearest future. And no one's scaring you here. You already know this. So, if you really want you and your loved ones to survive in this deadly vortex of viruses, 5G, vaccines, and other games with your genetics and life itself, we are extending a helping hand to you once again. Because only knowledge of your natural genetic code given from birth in the form of a natural program will save you from introduction of artificial codes, which a priori can lead only to lethal outcomes. And the attitude of an ostrich will not save anyone anymore, because the moment called beware, the doors are closing, that moment already arrived. And whether to accept or reject our help, that is up to you. Kindergarten with wiping of noses and butts, the time of exhortations and persuasions, that time is over. Everywhere. And it is impossible to save someone who does not want to be saved. And the integration and cooperation of, so to speak, grains and chaff is as senseless as trying to mix water with oil. Now every person is for himself. The era of segmental creatures that survive only in a flock is over. The era of autonomous individuals who have enough knowledge about themselves and other people in order to communicate at a qualitatively new level has come. And you probably noticed this. We hope to connect with all of you in the forthcoming age of the Aquarius. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. I remind you that seasonal discounts on information from the catalog of human population, as well as personal and business dating service called Helpmates by Birthright, is available at our website, www.humanpopulationacademy.org. The link is also available at the bottom below this video. Happy holidays!